everyone, my name is Iviannie. For those of you who are coming back, hello, welcome back to my channel. And for those who are new, my name is Iviannie and I do crochet. First of all, I wanted to start the video saying thank you to everyone that supported our channel and supported our Instagram on 2025. It was amazing. 2025 was the start of our small business, and I didn't expect it to actually have a big boom like I did. At least in 4 months it was the period of time that I started basically, and it was amazing. We had a lot of orders. We still have orders made from 2025 for 2026. We had a lot of feedback, a lot of support, a lot of friends and new people that we met commenting on our challenge, on our art, on our products, and it was honestly amazing. It was the best experience ever, and we want to thank you all for that support and for following us. And hopefully our content for 2026 and our production can be equal or better than the one in 2025, because we really want to keep growing, and your support meant a lot for 2025. So thank you so much for that. So for this year, we're gonna start our business by setting up goals, so that way we're a little bit more focused on what we're gonna do. So our first goal for our New Year's resolution is gonna be to create at least 12 new patterns at least once a month. We are already working on our first new pattern, so hopefully this month is gonna be covered, but that's our goal, creating at least 12 new patterns. It's gonna be something a little bit difficult. It's gonna be something challenging, since I never created actually at least lunge a pattern, because I've been creating my own patterns but not lunging. So that's gonna be something good to be releasing on 2026. Okay, so for our second goal is gonna be to upload at least 5 products on our Etsy shop each month. For this month we did something new. We already passed the whole store to Etsy, so all of our products are officially on Etsy. So we did around 54 new products uploads. So hopefully we can have our online store now, and after July we can start hitting markets again. But at the moment our shop is already online, so you can visit us at ivianniehs.etsy.com and you can see all our products there. So that was one of our goals, and we are already did it for 2025 to set up our store to online, and that's already done. Our third goal for this year is gonna be to do at least 2 YouTube videos monthly. So we have been doing YouTube videos before. It hasn't been quite a lot or long, because we have been doing a lot of shorts more than anything, because I'm a little camera shy when it comes to doing long videos. But we're gonna be challenging ourselves. I'm gonna be challenging myself, and that's one of our goals, to do at least 2 videos monthly. So this is gonna be part of our monthly videos. We already launched one of our 2025 basically recap, so this is gonna be our second one, so hopefully we can do more this year. If there are any feedback that you guys want to give about this video, go on the comments, let us know, because we really want to improve for 2026. And our fourth and last goal for business goals for 2026 is gonna be building at least 3 beginner kits. So we have good ideas. We have a lot of people that have come to us to the markets in 2025 saying, if I give tutorials, I am not a pro. I don't have a lot of years of experience. I have been crocheting before, but I didn't know what crocheting actually was, because I was self-taught, and it wasn't until 4-5 months ago that I started actually doing amigurumis, because I never done amigurumis before. I only done like hats, scarves, bags, and things like that. And now that I actually do amigurumi, I love it, and that's what I'm doing more than anything. So there's a few people that I've seen that ask me for tutorials. I am not a pro, but I'm gonna be sharing my knowledge little by little and everything I've been learning and as I go. So for those who want to learn and at least try to give a head start, I'm gonna be doing small YouTube tutorials on basic things at the beginnings, and hopefully in the future we can launch some free patterns as well, so you can start trying. And one of our goals is to do 3 beginner kits that brings everything, so that way you can have everything: the materials, the yarn, the plush that you need, the instructions for a small pattern and easy for beginners, and you can start testing out your abilities and getting those skills polished so you can do more crochet later on. So that's one of our goals. And we have actually a 5th goal, which is more of a personal goal. It's not a business goal, which is one that we're gonna be talking about a little bit more deeper in another video. But for this one, I just wanted to let you know, for those who do crochet, there are some amigurumi Pokemon cards, and they're called the Asako Ito cards, and they're a total of 35, and it's basically Pokemon cards, but the design is actually a crochet Pokemon. It's not an animated or a Play-Doh. It's actually a crochet Pokemon in each card, and there's a total of 35, and I do collect them. So one of my personal goals for this year is to actually get that full 35 cards to do the full collection of the Asako Ito collection. So we're gonna be doing a video later on, so that way you can know where to get them if you want to collect them as well, because we are also Pokemon fans. So you're all gonna be seeing in our videos contents package opening from Pokemon cards, because we do both. We like to collect them as well. And these are basically our New Year's resolution. Hopefully we can get that done. We can all get all this checked out by the end of 2026. 2025 was awesome. Thank you to everyone that did supported our channel. Thank you to everyone that shared, that followed, that visited us, that gave us feedback. It was amazing. We had a boom in our business, and we didn't know it was gonna be that big. We didn't know we're gonna have a lot of orders like we did. I still have orders from 2025 that were made for 2026, and that was simply amazing. Thank you so much for trusting in our talent. Thank you for commenting on our art. And for those who want to get our little plushies, you can find them on our Etsy shop. We are already packed on everything because we did the whole switch to online. So this is how they're gonna be looking when you receive them. And if you like our channels and our content, feel free to subscribe and let us know any feedbacks on the comments, and I'll see you guys on our next video, and hopefully we can check 2026 completely. Bye!